So this is the question over here. I have given two function. The first one is f of x equals 4x plus 1, and the second one is g of x equals 2x squared plus 5x. And what do I do? So it says that find g of f of x and f of g of x. So the first one says that put f of x function in the domain of g, and the second part says that put g of x function in the domain of f function. So I have to do both of these because that's what it asks me to do. So first I will find the g of f of x. It means that I have to put the f of x function in the domain of g. So I'm going to solve it step by step, so you would have clear understanding of composite function. And we have made full video about the intuition of composite function previously, and if you want to check that out, so please check that out first, because it will help you a lot about understanding the intuition about a composite function. So let's continue our question and what it asks us to do. So first we have to find out g f of x. So we have to find out this function. We have to find out this composite function, which is g of f of x. That means that put f of x function in the domain of g. I'm repeating this again and again because I have a lot of students here and they get confused. So I don't want you to get confused about this. So you have to put the f of x function in the domain of g. So I'm repeating this so you would have clear understanding of what I am saying. So as you know that the g function over here, I have this g function. It says that g of x equals 2x squared plus 5x. So in this g function, I have to put the x equals f of x. So where I see x in the g of x function, I have to put the f of x function and that domain. So first as I told you that I'm going to do this step by step. So I would write g equals f of x is equal to 4x plus 1. So g of 4x plus 1. So it means that the 4x plus 1 is in the domain of g function. So let's continue. So g f of x equals, so as I told you that that 4x plus 1 is in the domain of g, so I have to put 4x plus 1 here in the x over here in this x, okay, because this x represents the domain of g function. So this is the domain, and I have to put this over here in the x in the g of x function in the place of x. So 2, so x equals to 4x plus 1, and there is square over here, and plus 5, and the x function is equal to 4x plus 1. And now I have to solve this. Okay, so this is the formula a plus b whole square. So this is basically equal to a square. So 4x square equal to 16x square, and plus b square. So 1 square is equal to 1, and plus 2ab. So 2 times 4 equals to 8. 8x and times 1 is equal to 8x. Okay, and then plus 5. 5. So okay, sorry. Multiply the 5. So 5 times 4 is 20x, and 5 times 1 is 5. So this is 2. Sorry, multiply the 2 inside. So 2 times 16 is 32x square. 2 times 1 is 2, and 8 times 2 is 16x, and plus 20x plus 5. Okay, so 32x square, I'm going to write this as it is, and 16x plus 20x. So this is equal to 36x 36x and 2 plus 5 equals 7. So this is the final answer. This is the final composite function, which is g of f of x. So this is the first part, which says that find g of f of x. I have to also find the f of g of x. It means that put the g of x function in the domain of f function. So I have to put the g of x function over here in the domain of x function. So I'm going to do this. So first, let me clear all of this. So sorry, let me clear all of this so it would help me to get some space over here. Okay, so I have to now find f of g of x. So I have to put the g of x function in the domain of f function. So 4 times the g of x function is equal to 2x square plus 5x and plus 1. It equals to 4 times 2 is 8x square plus 4 times 5 is 20x and plus 1. So the final answer is f of g of x, in which the g of x is in the domain of f function. The final answer is 8x square plus 20x plus 1. So this is the final answer.